A very good morning to everyone. So today is 18th May 2023 and the day is Thursday. So चलो करंट अफेयर्स के साथ आज शुरू करते हैं. नंबर 1, who has been appointed as the new chairman of UPSC? The answer is मनोज सोनी. बात कर लें यहाँ पर सर मनोज सोनी की. तो मनोज सोनी टू टेक ओथ एज न्यू चेयरमैन ऑफ यूपीएससी यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है. यूपीएससी की बात करें, यूपीएससी होता क्या है? सो इट स्टैंड्स फॉर यूनियन पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन and it is India's premier central recruitment agency for recruitment of all the group A officers under government of India. थोड़ी यूपीएससी के बारे में जानकारी और ले लेंगे. The Union Public Service Commission is the leading central recruitment agency of India that's responsible for recruiting all the group A officers under the government of India. The UPSC conducts various examinations like civil services examination and ND exam every year. These are considered one of the toughest tests in the world and are must to clear to serve as a top level officer in the government of India. थोड़ा डिटेल यहाँ पर सर मनोज सोनी के बारे में भी लेंगे. He was born on February 17, 1965 in Mumbai and he is an educationist who is currently serving as the chairman of UPSC. He joined commission on June 28, 2017 and has been performing chairman duties since 5th April 2022, taking over from his predecessor Pradeep Kumar Joshi. Mr. Soni took oath as the UPSC chairman on Tuesday, May 16, 2016. Gujarat Cadre IAS officer B.B. Swain, Secretary Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises MSME and Suman Sharma from the Income Tax Cadre of the Indian Revenue Service IRS also joined as UPSC members recently. Moving to the second current affair of the day, on June 23rd, the birth anniversary of which football legend will now be recognized as AIFF Grassroots Day? The answer is Pradeep Kumar Banerjee. The third one is who received the inaugural Govind Swarup Lifetime Achievement Award? The answer is Professor Jayant V. Narlikar. The fourth one is recently CM of which state launched the Geeta Karmikula Bima Yojana? The answer is Telangana. The fifth one is Grant Bradburn has recently become the coach of which country? The answer is Pakistan. अगर बात कर ले ग्रैंट ब्रैडबर्न की तो इनके बारे में ये मेंशन है यहाँ पर कि ग्रैंट ब्रैडबर्न was born on 26 May 1966 and is a New Zealand cricket coach and former international cricketer. और अब ये बन जाएंगे पाकिस्तानी टीम के कोच. Moving to the sixth one, where has India hosted Physical Shanghai Cooperative Organization Startup Forum for first time? The answer is New Delhi. Number 7th is UK has recently given long cruise missiles to which country? The answer is Ukraine. 8th one, recently who became first spinner in the world to take 550 wickets in T20 cricket? The answer is Rashid Khan. Who has recently launched e-filing 2.0 and e-seva kendra? DY Chandrachud. Number 10 is who recently scored the fastest 50 in the history of IPL? The answer is Yashasvi Jaiswal. Number 11th is name the temple which has imposed dress code for men and women. The answer is Balaji Dham Temple in UP Muzaffarnagar. The 12th one is name the chairman of Hinduja Group who passed away, and the answer is SP Hinduja and he passed away at the age of 87. Moving to the 13th one in the last current affair of the day is which film has become the second highest grossing film of 2023? The answer is Kerala Story. इसके अलावा जो भी न्यूज़ मुझे थोड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट लगी हैं उसकी डिटेल मैंने यहाँ पर मेंशन कर दी है, तो आप इसे देख लीजिएगा. एंड इन माय नेक्स्ट आई विल बी शेयरिंग सम इम्पॉर्टेंट टर्म्स, तो आप वो भी अच्छे से देखिए. कहीं पर नोट डाउन करना चाहते हैं या डाउनलोड करके रखना चाहते हैं तो आप कर सकते हैं. दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू.